What's up, everybody? Nathaniel Morton here with NathanielMorton.com. We're on this YouTube channel. We make videos on how to get bigger, stronger, faster, and more explosive. So if you are interested in any of those topics, definitely subscribe to the channel and click the bell so that you never miss a video. In today's video, I'm going to give you 3 exercises that you can do to increase your vertical jump at home. So by the end of this video, you will have 3 exercises that you can take to your house, to the basketball court, outside at the playground, and you can do these exercises to increase your vertical jump and eventually dunk a basketball and be jumping higher. Now, the reason why these exercises work so well is because they increase the strength of your legs and your lower back. And we all know that in order to increase our vertical jump, we need to be able to do 2 things. We need to increase our maximum strength in our legs, our lower back, our posterior chain, our core. And number 2, we need to increase the rate of force development, the speed of movement, how fast we can recruit muscle fibers. That's all that means. So basically, we need to get stronger and we need to get faster. These exercises today will help you get stronger. So the 3 exercises that I have for you today, number 1, are wall sits. Okay, these are all isometric exercises, meaning you're in one spot, you're holding still in one position for the entire duration of the exercise. So wall sits, we all know about these. Our coaches make us do them, our basketball coaches, our football coaches. This is where you sit against the wall. You want your legs to be at a 90-degree angle, and you want to put all of the focus on your quads, okay? This is directly going to strengthen your quads. Indirectly, it's going to strengthen your glutes, your lower back, your hamstrings, your calves, but mainly it's going to focus on the quads. What I want you to do is with this isometric movement, these wall sits, you should start off with 4 sets of 30 seconds each. 4 sets of 30 seconds each. If this is too easy, you can do 4 sets of 60 seconds each or 90 seconds. Increase the amount of time, the duration that you do this movement as you get better and better. And you can actually do all of these exercises every single day. Okay, because these are isometric movements and you are not breaking down your muscle like you would be if you were doing heavy barbell squats, you can do these every single day. That's why I really love these. So make this a habit and do these wall sits and these other 2 exercises every single day as a part of your routine. The second, also, if wall sits with 2 legs are too easy, use 1 leg. Do a staggered stance on the wall sits, not 1 leg. What I want you to do is put your heel up or your toe up. You're going to be on your heel for 1 leg and your other leg is going to be normal. Okay, so I'll show you a video of me doing it right here. The second exercise that I have for you today, once again, another isometric movement, is a lunge hold. Okay, so what you're going to do is get down into a lunge position and you're going to hold this position for 30 seconds. 4 sets of 30 seconds to begin, and progressive overload. Increase the duration and the time as you get stronger. Once again, this is going to increase your maximum strength by increasing the strength of your quads, your calves, your hamstrings, your glutes, your lower back, and your posterior chain. Therefore, increasing your vertical jump and helping you jump higher, getting closer to that dunk that we all want to do. The third exercise that I have for you today focuses mainly on your hamstrings and gaining hamstring strength and some glute strength, is a feet elevated glute bridge hold. So that's a mouthful, feet elevated glute bridge hold, but this is going to focus on your hamstrings. Indirectly, it's going to hit, your lower back, all the muscles of your leg. But what you're going to do is put your feet up on a bench or a chair or a wall or a fence if you're out at a basketball court. You can just put your feet up on anything that you want. You're going to drive your heels into the chair or the box or the bench or whatever you have your feet up on. You're going to lift your butt up and you're going to focus all of the focus on your hamstrings. Okay, so bend your knees to a point where you can focus everything you have, focus your mind on your hamstrings in gaining hamstring strength. Again, this is an isometric movement, so you're not going to be doing any reps. You're just going to be holding this hold for 30 seconds. Okay, so do 4 sets of 30 seconds and progressive overload from there. And by doing these 3 movements every single day as a part of your daily routine, you are going to increase the strength, the maximum strength of your quads, your calves, your hamstrings, your glutes, your lower back, your posterior chain, your core, therefore increasing your vertical jump, allowing you to jump higher. All right, everybody, that is it for today, and these are the 3 exercises that I have for you. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Share this if you think someone else can benefit from this video. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell if you have not already. And ladies and gentlemen, as always, remember to take action, because action is everything. Knowledge is not power. It is only potential power until you take action on what you know. If you want major results, you have to take major action. If you're taking little itsy bitsy tiny actions, you're gonna get little itsy bitsy tiny results. I'll see you guys next time.